Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a Lenovo Robot Vacuum Cleaner E1 with your Android smartphone. And to do this, first we'll need to download a Lenovo Cleaner app on our Android smartphone. You can find it on Google Play Store. When it's installed, you will need to log in and you should see something like this. Now, keep in mind that my robot cleaner is connected to the base station and it's charging right now, so I recommend that you do the same thing. Then we can move to Add Device. Here select Robot Cleaner E1. Then we'll need to connect to Wi-Fi network and make sure that this network is 2.4G. As this robot doesn't support 5G networks. So I'm just gonna change real quick to 2.4 networks. Here it is. Then move back. And now we just need to enter a password for that network. Reset device, long press the start key and recharge key for 3 seconds and confirm that the indicator light rapidly blinks, which means we'll need to press on those two buttons and hold them for 3 seconds. Okay, now we need to click on confirm indicator rapidly blink, as it does for me. You can also see it right here. And now we just need to wait. Click on done. And your robot is fully connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.